Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold comes to us from longtime viewer Ellen Abels. This was sent to her from San Francisco State University, and this is so clever. This is a modification to an iron cross fold. So that iron cross is that plus shaped piece, and usually the panels fold in and each one covers the next. This is a really neat little modification that creates texture and a more unique opening experience. So it's a historic moment in our 120-year history. This is a capital campaign. And then each panel here is shorter. And what happens is you get some texture in kind of the combination of the different panels, and depending on how you set it up, they can open in a different order. But I also like how the final panel almost forms like the look of a pocket, and in their case they have a decal, a letter actually, and response mechanism. So I really like how this works. So this finishes to a 5 3/4 square, but each panel is 4 1/4. So that's how you get this texture when it's open and closed. So you could kind of play with and make each one a different length, or you can make them all the same length. So this feels like about an 80 to 100 pound coated cover, and these are die score, insert, I imagine probably hand folded because of the different lengths, etc. But really nice and unique opening experience, and I think it's very clever, so I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Modified iron cross with short panels. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.